Do you find it annoying to constantly receive spam texts on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will guide you through the process of blocking spam texts on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Messages app on your iPhone and then tap on the conversation that you want to block. Tap on their name at the top. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Hide Alerts. Simply toggle on the switch next to Hide Alerts. If you want to completely stop their texts, then exit the Messages app, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Messages. Once you've found it, tap on it. And then scroll down a bit and tap Blocked Contacts. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Add New, select, and add the conversations to the block list. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.